Okay, go. Come on, I want to take a video.
Oh.
Watch out, Savannah.
It's so cool to let him catch you. Watch, ready? Watch, ready?
Mommy, can I have a piece?
Oh. Wait.
It's a baseball bat. They really won't come.
Do it, Samantha.
What?
Come on, don't be scared.
Here. I gotta try to get a small one.
No, because it'll bite my finger.
Hey, Mom, ready?
Yeah.
One.
You're supposed to look above you.
I did.
Point the camera straight up. Straight up, like above you. Above you, Mom. Straight up.
Okay.
Ready?
Did I get it?
You're supposed to be getting them.
I did. I think I did get it.
Okay.
I did.
I know.
I'm eating them. Okay, I'm having one more. Give it to him.
He wants to your eyeball.
Come on, Samantha, one more. Attacking him. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Just hold it out on your hand like this and let him come get it. I want to see, Savannah. I can't see. Pick it up. Let me see. Turn around this way. You're killing me. I can't turn that way.
They're like, come on, I'm tired.
Hold it out on your hand. Oh, I can't turn that way.
Like, I know.
Oh, got close. Oh,
Wait, do it and then try to grab it.
You're killing me. I gotta get up.
no, you gotta do it, but I'll try to grab it.
That's all right. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. Sorry, camera people. Hi, Kaylin. You guys we're taking pictures of the seagulls coming down eating out of our
Every day in
hands.
the courtyard of my school, like, the birds come down, like, because kids stole their food, and, like, I'm, like, there with, like, Brandon and Sebastian. I'm like, Brandon!
Watch it, ready?
Okay, say goodbye.